Good morning, guys. Once again, FCI Futures is back with the analysis on gold. And today we are having PPI data of USA, unemployment claims, and also there is the ECB monetary policy. So today there will be a good volatility expected in the market. Also, we will be seeing the movement in gold during the monetary policy of Euro. And after that, 15 minutes there is core PPI data and PPI data month on month basis. Right now, if we can see the forecast, then it is expected to be positive. And if the actual data do come positive, then yes, the dollar will be back again on the track and gold will be going down. But in case the unemployment claims or this PPI data comes in the negative side, then this will push dollar down and gold up. Okay, so there could be a chances that today gold can break the above resistance of 25.31 or 25.32. But for that, the condition is first it should break the resistance of today's morning, that is 25.22. Okay, if that breaks, then it will surely reach till 25.29 or 31, and here we will take the decision whether to sell or buy. Okay, first of all, like if this time it goes up, the chances are very high that it will break, because it is so many times that it has rejected from this level. So if it reaches to 31, then like the seller should be aware of. Also, the data should be at least in positive side. Okay, so that they can sell from high side. If the data is positive, there are chances also that gold straight fall. Okay, and then if it breaks 25.10 support or 25.08 support and sustain below this, then it will surely break 2500 this time. So like the US session will be full of volatility. Till that time, what we can see, like gold moving in the same range, that is between 22 to 10, 25, 10. Okay, and if in the case it breaks in the downside, then the first support will be coming to the 2500 level, that is the psychological level. If that breaks, then it will be surely coming to 2484. Okay, so traders must ready for like 30 to 40 dollars of movement in gold in today's market. And if like something comes up, we will be keeping you updated. Stay tuned and do follow us for more analysis like this. Thank you so much.